Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me.
Alright, so here we have Kaboom, and here we have a marble mosaic tile, and as you can see, the shower is ready to be cleaned. There's some nasty mildew, which, you know, no matter what you do, it comes back. So let's just see what happens here. I'm really curious. We'll just do this test spot. I mean, this is kind of where it's the worst. So we're going to leave it on there for 5 minutes, and we're just going to wash it off with this. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, I put on my flash. As you can see, the Kaboom is still foaming. And for the first test, I'm just going to try to rinse it off. The instructions say to use something to wipe it off, but I want to see if I could just rinse it off. So let's turn this on. Yep. Wow. Holy moly, guys. That is actually, I can't even believe it. Wow. You know what? I did not actually expect it to clean it this good. This is, wow. This is some amazing stuff. Holy moly. Guys, that's with no scrubbing. Holy moly. Okay. So, this is what I used. And this is the real deal. You got to be careful with this because this has bleach in it. But 5 minutes is all it took. And I did a small test spot just in the corners over there. And, right now I'm showing you the before and after. I'm pretty impressed. I actually can't believe it. So now I'm just going to spray the rest of it. And hey, I'll do it before and after of the rest of the floor. The rest is not that bad as the previous spot, but wow, amazed. Alright guys, I sprayed down the entire shower, and here I'm taking this video clip with flash so you can kind of see in better detail but honestly, I've tried other products that say all you have to do is spray it on and then wash it off or rub it off. But I never actually came across a product that works so well. I mean, obviously, Kaboom is using bleach, and, that's why it works so good. But honestly, buying one bottle a month will allow you to clean the entire shower, and all you have to do is spray it on. I mean, like you see these parts get messy. This was actually getting really funky, and I don't know how good that looks on camera, but basically it cleaned it. Yeah. So I even sprayed it in the sink basin. And I don't know, it looks a little different on my camera, but it's a lot brighter. I mean, this thing just works. There's a little soap ring. Whoops. It's no big deal. So I'm definitely not endorsed by this company. And I gotta give you a warning. I sprayed this on my rims, and I just installed new rotors, and the next day my new rotors were rusty as hell. So make sure you read the instructions. It tells you what you could use this on and what you shouldn't use it on. And like I said, don't use it on any kind of, don't use it on your rims, because the overspray is going to get on your rotors, and you know that's going to cause them to rust, including your brake calipers, which does suck. However, it did clean my rims really well. It's just maybe if you spray it on a cloth and wipe it on your rims, you know, that's the way to go. But as far as cleaning your shower, I mean, speechless. I had to post this video because, you know, rarely do you come across a product where it works so good, you know, that it kind of blows you away. I mean, there's a little bit of streaking. I mean, but that's chrome, you know. Could maybe use another rinse on that. But the tiles look really good. You saw what it did to the grout. I mean, I had like mold or mildew, whatever the hell that was, but it comes back, you know, after a little while. And yeah, this thing cleaned it up with no effort on my part. So awesome product. I recommend it for, you know, tile showers. This is porcelain. That's marble, and that stripe is marble. And obviously it's grouted, and it worked 100% with no real effort on my part. And whoops. And as well over here, I get a little ring over here, like a yellow ring, after like a week or two. And it cleaned that. It actually cleaned the entire basin. Okay, so I don't know how good the lighting is in here, but it cleaned the entire basin. And once again, all I did was spray it. I sprayed the faucet as well. And that's it. I mean, leave it on for 5 minutes, wipe or rinse it off, and there you go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you found this interesting at all. Take care. You know, I was a little worried about using this product because this entire bathroom, don't mind the mess right now, but we actually built this bathroom from scratch. The bathrooms that were in this house were just horrendous, disgusting. So, I mean, the first year that we moved into this house, I think we spent like over 30 grand, and most of it was rebuilding, you know, a bathroom. It's not even that big, but we had to redo the floor. I mean, they had some leaks in there. It was molding. But anyways, long story short, was a little worried about discoloration. That's why I did that test spot. And if anything, I would have to regrout that test spot. And I do have some more mosaic tile, but you know, that's why I only left it on for 5 minutes. I wanted to make sure that if it is going to mess anything up, it's going to be very small. But it worked out amazing. I mean, I'm basically just going to buy these things, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy it on Amazon, which is probably what I'm going to do because I'm a Prime member and I just order stuff that comes to my house monthly. But yeah, this is basically the new way I'm going to clean my shower from now on, which is great because I could clean it in a few minutes without scrubbing or anything. And I'm sure the more I use it, the better it's going to come out, you know, because it's just going to pick up more grime or whatever. So just make sure you rinse everything off. It is bleach in there. And I definitely put my vent on to get that smell out of there because, you know, that's a really bad smell. So other than the smell, I mean, you could try Greenworks. It's not going to work. I mean, that's what we normally use is Greenworks. But Greenworks, you're going to have to scrub this. It's going to take like 20 minutes, which is what I normally do. But I'm definitely switching to Kaboom. Unless, you know, I post some kind of comment below that something happened. But as far as porcelain and tile, I mean, this is what it's made for. So anyways, that's about it.